Hello sweet friends, and welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. Today's video features Scrapdiva design dies for a special project that I created. I will have affiliate links to the dies in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop. When you use my affiliate links, it doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps me and my channel, and I thank you so very much for doing that. I really appreciate it. And I also want to say you can use Carol10 at checkout for 10% off your order. So let me go ahead and share the dies that I used in my project. The first one is from the March release. It's called the Loaded Pocket Medium. You get 12 dies in this set. So the first one is this one that I used in my project. It's the scalloped edge. It looks like a doily. And then you get this piece right here to cut on designer paper to decorate the background of your loaded pocket. Then you get the pocket piece, and you get a square to decorate that pocket that's stitched around the edge. Then to decorate your pocket, you get a scalloped edged heart that looks like a doily that matches the background, and you get this stitched heart to place on top. You also get this set, which will make another loaded pocket, and it's more of a curvy set than this one, but you have two options to make two different pockets, and there are two dies with that. And you also get this piece to put on the top, maybe to you can see you fold it over and it hangs down, so you get this piece to make a little cut in your tag, so you could put that through the tag, and this could flip up to have a sentiment underneath, which is a very nice option for this die set. So there are two holes that this will cut, and you get two pieces that will decorate the hole that you could either cut on like some gold, shiny gold cardstock, or some glitter cardstock to coordinate and have it show up nicely. So there are 12 dies in this set, and I love these loaded pockets. Let me put this aside and show you an oldie but goodie. I have this one right here, which is a lipstick box, and I am missing a die out of here. I must have left it under this mat when I picked up the things to put it on top. So this comes with the piece that makes the box. It comes with this piece where you can decorate the top and put a sentiment. It also comes with this piece that you can hang a tag. It comes with this, which is stitching, which will decorate these. And then it comes with a piece that you can cut out on gold, and then it will decorate the window. And then there was another piece that cut the window out. So what you do is you cut 4 of these, and then the piece that you don't see here, you put on top of this cut piece and cut the window out, and that's to decorate this side. But I think it's under here because I did use it to do my project. Now, before I show you my project, let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And for all my returning friends, welcome back. You mean the world to me. I appreciate your support and comments. So here is my project. Now, today's project is a little different. I am getting ready for another cruise, and my husband and I we don't go very far. We don't go out to eat. We don't go to movies. You know, we spend a lot of time at home. We both have projects that we do, so we go cruising a little bit. And I got another cruise coming up, and I decided to do a duck-related theme. I don't know if you know about cruising ducks, but people hide ducks on the cruise ship and it's fun to find them. And so I decided to do a duck theme. So here is the loaded pocket medium. I have the doily in the background, and that is some navy blue cardstock. This is a bow for my stash, and I do make bracelets to put into my gift exchange. So I do a gift exchange, and I also do hide ducks. And this little duck is from Cottage Cuts, by the way, and I just decorated him. And this is how the back looks, because I do put designer paper on the back, and I do put it on the front. And I'm going to pull my entire project in front here. Excuse me, I'm sorry about that. And here is my little box. I made this box because I did not have anything in my stash that made this size box. So this, I will give you the measurements of this box, and I'm going to write all the cutting measurements and all that in the description box below in case you want to make one of these. And this is 7 inches by 4 inches, and then I have a 2-inch gusset there, and then this opens like this, and I put the same bow that I put on my loaded pocket on the top of the tab that comes up. These little tags I made myself. All the paper you see here, these are papers that I created myself. You can't find any rubber duck paper, so I made some. And I have the same duck that matches here. And I made some daisies to put on there. And I do want to share with you the lipstick box. So when you're cruising, it's nice to have some lip balm. When you do a gift exchange, the idea is to put things in there that remind you of cruising or that you would use on a cruise. So I put collapsible straws and some lip balm for here. I make bracelets that are tropical looking. I also put luggage tags in there and some candy, and leave these on the cabin door. And I will write on the back here my name and my cabin number and the person's name and their cabin number that I'm giving it to. So this is a cute project. And it just goes inside here like this. And I have some other ones to share with you. And I kind of left a top big enough that it'll slide over the door handle, because a lot of times the ships don't have mailboxes. So yeah, I just put it over the handle on the door. Here's another one I created. This little duck is from the same Cottage Cuts duck that I have. It's got two. It's got this one and this one on the same die. And so I made a few like this. And I just switched up the color of the bow on here. And I'll show you the back. It's got old-timey cruise ships, vintage looking. And here we have another little duck loaded pocket, as you can see. And then I have another lip balm. I haven't finished filling these up yet. This is as far as I got. But I did want to share it with you. Like I said, I'm going to put all the measurements to put this together in the description box below if you would like to create one of these boxes. It's pretty easy to assemble. And I'll show you my top closer up. So on the top, I cut it a little bit bigger so that I wouldn't have the sides bulging out. So this is, I think, 4 3/4 inches wide. And I scored it at 1 inch, at 2 inch, and then at, let's see, it's actually scored at 1 3 inches. And then this piece is 4 3/4 by 4 1/2. And then I just used a punch to punch the little edges on there. And then I cut designer paper to fit in between. And what you do is just take that 1 inch piece and glue the box to it. All right, and then you put your handle on the inside, and then this just closes like this. I used a little Velcro pieces there. And here again is my tag. I just love these rubber ducks. So yes, I made 7 of them. There are 7 people in my group. And these are basically about all the same. I love these little ducks. So that is my project using the Loaded Pocket medium die. It's a little bit different because of the ducks. And that is it for today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed my project. Remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.